Miss Iloilo Province Vanessa Caro nangibabaw sa interview challenge sa Miss Universe Philippines 2022. Iniitutukan ni John Sala.
Beauty with substance, inama tinangang mapaanggit sa isa ka Ilongga. Kag ini ang gitpakita sa tiglawas ang Iloilo Province sa Miss Universe Philippines 2022 nga si Vanessa Caro.
Life is actually very nice right now, simply because we've struggled through so much over the 2 years of the pandemic. And as someone who learned so much, such as the power of vulnerability, I've not only been able to recognize the most important things in life, which is our health and our family, but I've also been able to connect with people all over the world.
Gikan sa banwasang kalinog, ang linay nga hindi lang tuman kagwapa, maalam kag talented pa ang natawo sa Honolulu, Hawaii. Sa din dito niya na-develop ang iya pagkahilig sa Polynesian dancing. Sa bago lang tapos kay interview challenge ang Miss Universe Philippines 2022, si Vanessa ang isa sa 4 ka mga linay nga kabahin sa Best in Interview.
And I long to be back to the place I love the most, Iloilo. While I can speak 4 different languages and I'm of 4 different ethnicities, I consider myself 100% Filipino who loves sinigang and embodies the silent strength of the Ilongga woman.
Sa pamangkot gani kung ano ang unique na lugar sa ila hometown, wala gid sininalipatan ang banwa sang Kalinog. Highlighted ang katahom sang banwa sa iya sabat.
It's the Kalinog Plaza. It's where my grassroots are from. And as I reconnected with my roots and visited there recently, it's a place where people can go to so that they can feel their best selves and truly experience the beauty of the municipality of Kalinog, its people, and what it truly means to be a Kalinognon with the power of their silence.
Gani mga kapuso, padayon lang sa pagsuporta sa aton mga kandidata para sa Miss Universe Philippines 2022. Upuan kay Sinito Hinduge, John Sana, One Western Visayas.